gotta at least.
The only thing, if we use it, Bobby, maybe we close the door and do it from one side.
Yeah, to keep the shit from flying. Yeah.
Like you have a wire wheel?
We need a wire wheel.
All right, we're gonna wire wheel it. Let's do the SCT with the wire wheel and do it one side at a time.
What, that big?
Yeah, get done fast.
You know. Because we're all.
Just lock somebody in there with the SCT and have at it.
Well, they're having a really hard time
Getting all the rest of this fuzzy shit out.
As long as the fuzzy stuff isn't over any rust where we have to apply the encapsulator. The other stuff is that acid stuff.
It's not a show car.
Right, but I mean, it's more or less, if it's got rust,
It's going to get down in there anyway.
yeah. But I forgot the name of the stuff. It's actually not the encapsulator, but it's actually the stuff that chemically changes rust. It'll go right through this stuff, soak through it like the Gugon did, to get underneath any of this, and then you can encapsulate it. That way you don't have to worry about it at all. That's just what I would do, because I've done a whole bunch. I've replaced 4 fans and cars.
Right.
You know, the nice thing about this, like I was saying, is this is not going to be out in the weather. It's not like it's going to be in the rain or anything. This is all superficial. You know, this will be nicely encapsulated. You don't have to worry about it. If there's anything that's kind of thicker, and I cannot remember the name of stuff, but it's a liquid, and it actually turns the rust black. It chemically changes the rust, and then you can put the encapsulator on it so that it's a double sealer. Because that encapsulator will also fill those holes. If you put a little tape behind it, it'll fill the holes back there, so you don't have to sit there and try mudding it or welding it. Any of that shit. Because I mean, it's really hard to tell what exactly is rust and what exactly is the own shit.
Right.
That's why. It's not made with jelly, but it's right. I can't remember. I'm having a brain blow. Let's get old stuff.
What do we got going? Ooh, broken. Oh, that's not good. It is, but it's
Do we have this?
rust stuck.
Eastwood? You have all this Eastwood stuff. Do we have
An
that?
actual rust converter that chemically reacts with rust.
But we can get some of this shit out of here. Now, who's going to do the blaster?
I'm gonna take turns.
I think you two should do the blaster. Because it's fun.
I'm gonna take turns. I want to try it.
Yeah. Well, I remember the time you took brakes apart. That was really fun.
Oh, that thing with this guy right in there?
Yeah, it's in the parts room. Grant, you've been here how many times? You haven't noticed that? It's very well thought.
I don't want to get into the meat of things now.
We're getting there.
It seems so loose I can come in.
It's the nut that's rattling around in that little.
Yeah, that captured nut.
Yeah, because it seems like it's not. But I tried turning with pliers and it didn't do nothing.
Is it verkackt?
It's stuck.
It's stuck?
It's stuck.
I mean, first of all, this stuff is so thin, and you're trying to save that nut. Because if you don't save
We
that
could
nut,
cut the whole thing off and I can weld a nut to it and it's fine.
Yeah, but
you're
that's
not going to have the float on it. You're still
Yeah.
going to make installation, but eventually.
Yeah, you just got to start that one first.
yeah. But he's going to try thread extractor. He's going to PV blast it and then put some thread.
Oh yeah, we've done this. This is fun. It's fun. You hit it with the PB blaster. It's a chemical rust breaker. It's quite fun. Peter, you're going to learn all kinds of fun stuff. You like this.